Hi, I'm Alex, and I'll be diving into the shifts happening in the tech industry job landscape. In the midst of layoffs and technological advancements, how are tech workers navigating this ever-evolving field? Let's explore. The tech sector has seen its fair share of challenges, shedding more than 386,000 jobs in 2022 and the first half of 2023. With giants like Google and Amazon scaling back, leaving tens of thousands of workers unemployed. Layoffs have impacted employees across various roles, and the abruptness of these changes has left many taken aback. Amid these layoffs, the tech world is undergoing a transformative phase driven by the booming artificial intelligence. Generative AI startups have secured over $12 billion in investments in the first quarter of 2023 alone. This surge in AI innovation has sparked renewed optimism within the industry. The energy surrounding AI's potential has drawn comparisons to previous tech booms, with San Francisco becoming a hub for discussions around AI, automation, and the next big thing. Layoffs have not spared the tech workforce, affecting diverse groups of professionals. Women, individuals aged 30 to 40, and various roles such as HR, software engineering, and marketing have been hit. Despite the challenges, tech workers have often been provided with generous severance packages, offering some financial stability as they explore new avenues. Despite the turbulence, the tech industry remains resilient, with unique aspects that set it apart from other sectors. The demand for tech skills has led to a relatively low unemployment rate among tech workers, standing at just 2% in May 2023. While competition for jobs remains intense, tech professionals continue to earn higher than average salaries, making their skills highly sought after. The evolving tech landscape has fostered an environment where skills and experiences are transferable to various sectors, such as finance, manufacturing, and government. The unique expertise gained in the tech industry remains valuable, even as the job market shifts. With the predicted growth of software developer opportunities and the technological advancements on the horizon, there's a sense of resilience and adaptability in the air. The tech industry faces change with layoffs and AI growth. Tech workers adapt as demand for their skills remains high across various fields. Thanks for watching as we navigate these shifts together. Like and subscribe for more insights until next time.